I have created this account and I have verified it. Hello there, welcome to a tutorial in which I show you how you can create an account on XM and verify your account. Just open the link in the description and you will land here. So this is the place that you will land, and then you just create your account where you need to claim a bonus. So here, after you create an account, you have a chance of claiming a big bonus, and I have a list of the bonuses that you will get here. So this is a bonus page, as you can see, which can offer you up to 35,000 USD. So this is how the bonus works and how you get it. So we have a category that you will get a bonus of up to 400 USD, a bonus of 800, and a bonus of this amount. So here you just it will depend with the amount of lots you trade per week. That is what will determine the amount of bonus that you get. So after clicking that link, just click on start trading. I just click on it, and then we have a profile that you just enter here. So here I just try to fill everything here, and then we proceed to the next page. So here we have the password, and then I just use that one and I will register right away. Now I just go to my Gmail, and here I need to verify my email address. So this is the email from XM. Just tap on it to verify. As you can see, your email address is verified. So this is my account, and I first need to verify my account using certain documents. So here they require an ID, a passport, or any official document that you have here. So it will depend with your country. And then if you want to proceed to verify your account, then we have something that is here. Just tap on complete, or if you do not see this, then we have the wallet here. Try to deposit because you will not be able to deposit. Then you will see verify your account here. So just proceed on it, and then you can start by verifying your number. So here you can just verify your number, and then we have a place where you can upload your document, photos, and then it will face scan you, and then you will verify your account. So that is how you can verify that account. And then here you can just if you want to trade here, then you can also trade. We have markets here, and then this is your real account. If you want a demo, then here we have a place where you can change it. Just proceed to this one, and then here we have a demo account. You can also comment if you do not want to use this website to trade, then you can proceed and connect it to MetaTrader 5. And then here we have MetaTrader 5, where you can proceed and connect it. So if you want to access MetaTrader 5, just open this one more, and then proceed down just below here, and then you can proceed to start trading on MetaTrader 5. So I can just use here, or if you have an Android or iOS and you like that, just proceed here on the app. Just open it, and then you can scan. Use the link in the description to create an account, and if you have a question, leave it in the comment section. I will be answering every question.